welcome to this video. In this video we're going to download and install Xampp, which is the software that is going to help us mimic the online server. Now there are different versions of this application. We have for Windows, Linux and for Mac users. So depending on which operating system you are running, just go right ahead and download the very first one. So for Windows users, download this one. I am running a Windows operating system and I've gone ahead to download this software. So let me just go ahead and click on it. So in case you've downloaded it, you can just go ahead and click on it. Once you get this message, click on yes. Just have to wait for it till displays an icon. Yeah, there it is. Now it's for Windows users, you're going to get something like this. Just need to either go to your control panel, UAC, and then maybe disable your, turn down your security level. But for me it's not necessary, so I'll just go ahead and click OK and click next, next and next. Okay, one more time and next. So you just have to wait for it to do its thing. I'm going to pause the video and resume once it's done installing. So it's trying to visit the website. It's trying to open up my browser to visit the Xampp website. Let me just pause the video and resume once the installation is complete. Okay guys, welcome back. Now the installation is complete, so I'm just going to go ahead and click finish. It's asking for a language. Yes, I speak English, so I'm just going to click on save. Now this is the Xampp control panel. Next video we are going to talk about how to create our database. So I'm going to end this video here for now.